Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to install a dryer vent in a brick wall. We are remodeling our laundry and as you can see the existing vent is way too high and I need to move it close to the bottom. Now I need to mark where I'm gonna be cutting a hole for a new vent. First I'm marking the top and this is gonna be the highest point of a new hole, and also I need to mark the sides for a new vent. Then I'm gonna unscrew a clamp on the vent hose. So this is what I'm gonna be installing today. This is 4-inch dryer vent I picked up in Lowe's. Now we need to mark an exact location where we're gonna be cutting a hole for a new vent. I'm using drywall jab saw to cut a drywall. To drill a hole in a brick, I'm using Bosch hammer Bulldog Extreme. This is very powerful tool and it makes your job super easy. Now when you find a center for a new hole, just place the dryer vent against a brick wall and mark a place for a new hole. I'm gonna add 1/4 inch to the circle I just made because a dryer vent has a plastic that needs to go inside of a brick wall. Now I need to make lots of holes in a brick wall. I'm using chisel bit on my Bosch hammer to remove a brick. It took me less than 2 minutes to finish the job. Now we can try to fit a dryer vent. So everything looks nice and we can continue from the inside. Now I need to repair some of the drywall around the vent. I'm gonna be using this mesh tape to make a repair. Apply the first coat of drywall compound. I applied 2 more coats of drywall compound, sanded everything, and now I need to finish painting the repair. I'm using utility knife to cut the vent hose and to cut a wire inside of it, use pliers. install a clamp on the new vent house. And install the vent hose on the vent. And tighten the clamp. Because the space to mark is really narrow and it's impossible to do it with my pencil, I'm gonna be using a wire and a spray paint to mark where I'm gonna be installing anchors. As you can see, I have now 4 marks and I know exactly where I need to make 4 holes for my anchors. Because I don't want to drill a hole bigger than my anchor, I'm applying a mask tape and I know exactly when I need to stop drilling. Insert anchors inside of the holes. Using a vacuum, clean the opening. Insert a dryer vent in the opening. Attach a vent cap using screws. Clean a vent cap with wet wipes before applying silicone. Caulk around a vent cap using an exterior grade silicone. Use your finger to spread the silicone evenly. And as always, if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.